September, received a tip of that some bags containing tobacco products are likely to come by Rajdhani Express at Margaon railway station. So accordingly we kept a watch, and subsequently we found that 56 big bags containing tobacco products had arrived. So we further maintained a watch, and subsequently we found one person had come there to pick that. We detained that person, and we came to know that the consignment containing tobacco products had come from Rajasthan Kota by Rajdhani Express. So accordingly we arrested that person. We attached all the 56 bags containing such illegal tobacco products, and we booked a case under section 87F of Goa Public Health Act 2005. Another accused in this case applied for anticipatory bail. The hearing was completed yesterday and it is kept for orders. Again, yesterday we had another tip off that such tobacco products which are illegal, which are banned, will be coming by Goa Express train. So we maintained watch and found that 15 bags had come and they were kept near the parcel office. Subsequently we attached those 15 bags and we booked the second case under section 87F of Goa Public Health Act 2005. Now the value of first case wherein property was seized was about 23 lakhs, and yesterday's case it was about 14 lakhs. So investigation is in progress. We are trying to find out from where the consignment was loaded and to whom it was sent. Investigation is in progress.